Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we will get to know about some of the rare carnivorous plants. For those who are particularly interested in such plants, check out some of the most famous carnivorous plants that exist. Carnivorous plants are sometimes called insectivorous plants. Any plant specially adapted for capturing and digesting insects and other animals by means of ingenious pitfalls and traps. Now the first carnivorous plant is Drosera. There is a species of plant belonging to the Drosera genus called sundews, and they happen to be one of the most common carnivorous plants in the world as well. These sundews look like flowers with tentacles all over them. These tentacles have a sticky substance that glitter in the sunlight, which attracts insects. Once they land on the sticky, dew-covered tentacles, they become trapped. The tentacles close around the insect and digestive enzymes get to work, digesting them and extracting nutrients. Now, coming to the next carnivorous plant is Dionea muscipula. Dionea muscipula is also known as the Venus flytrap. It has to be one of the most common carnivorous plants in the world. It preys on insects by luring them into its leaves using sweet nectar. As soon as the insect steps into its mouth, it triggers tiny hairs which stimulates impulses in the plant and makes it close its leaves. Glands found in the leaves release a digestive enzyme that breaks down the insect, and the leaves absorb the nutrients. These days, it is not uncommon to find Venus flytraps for sale for people. Now the next one is Nepenthes. Plants known as tropical pitchers or money cups belong to the plant genus Nepenthes. These plants have brightly colored leaves that look a lot like pitchers. One of the plants that is similar to Nepenthes is the Sarracenia, which is also known as the North American pitcher plant. The plant also has digestive enzymes at the bottom of the pitcher-like leaves, although in some species it is water that drowns the insects, and digestive enzymes in the water is what breaks them down. Now the next carnivorous plant is Urticularia. There are some species of Urticularia known as bladderworts, and these plants are also carnivorous. The plant gets its name from tiny bladder-like sacs that are found in its leaves and stems. These plants come with mechanisms that work like trap doors with a vacuum effect on insects when they trigger tiny hairs which could be found in the vicinity of the door. The digestive enzymes in the sacs breaks down the insects that are trapped. With all this, we can understand that though plants are known to possess chlorophyll for synthesizing their own food, carnivorous plants do not have this substance and hence depend on their host for deriving nutrients. This teaches us that all living beings in nature live together and are dependent on each other. That's all, my dear friends. Don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon so that you can get all my new video notifications. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.